fixing a leak, I think, a minute, so this is going to be interesting. Hold on.
Brilliant. Yeah.
Nice coat, isn't it?
Beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful.
What's it? Where?
Have you?
Shut up!
How do I say film it?
Isn't got my hood.
Ow.
Oh, you idiot. It's already started then.
It's
It's already started then.
Oh no, what?
So, weather has changed. It's absolutely pissing down now.
That's what you get for running off.
Last laugh, you left us.
Ben.
Even.
Steve!
So, today is Sunday. The weather is amazing. Look at that. Today's mission is to get a dinghy off and into Cardiff Bay. Right, let's see what the boys are doing. Right, guys, what are you doing?
Ready? Getting the tender ready. Gonna go bomb it over to Cardiff Bay.
So I think they're fixing a leak, I think, a minute. So this is going to be interesting. Sorry, what was that, guys?
It is gone midday. Just.
Beer o'clock somewhere.
I'll just settle for tea at the moment. I think I had quite a few heavy nights. So.
Backwards.
10 hours later.
Well, no one's reaching for a liner, is it? Are they?
So looks like we're ready to go dinghying then. How's it then? How's it feel?
It's good.
Alan, when you watch this video, you would have fit in there.
Yeah,
Easy.
Wax on. Wax off.
That's the colour it could be. Gets a little clean up.
Yeah, crack on in, brother.
The dinghy's there, I think.
Steve!
Hello! Hello there!
Hey!
Waving for ages! Tonight! We've got a bird!
Hey, look where you're going! Look where you're going, Steve, there's a water. Yeah, too busy waving at us, not looking where he was going. I love it. How was it? How was the sail? Did you get sails
We
up?
didn't get a sail up, we just motored. But the prop is making noises, so we're going to have to lift out and
No.
fix
Oh.
Baby!
Living life on the edge there. Steve.
No using mobile phones whilst in control. No, wind her up, dude. The bum come
I
out.
think the bung's come out on Jace's dinghy, so he's chucking water out.
Stay.
Alright, made it to Mermaid Key
Stay.
in convoy. All tied up in Mermaid Key. Now time for beers. Bear's got a new Musto coat.
We're all together, aren't we?
Brilliant.
You only pay to get coats.
Steve's got a matching coat. That's what we call Bird Steve now.
No, they're different.
Steve's been asleep in the dinghy.
So we've been in Eli Jenkins to watch Formula 1. There is a good result, and we're now going back to. Where are we going back to?
The boat!
Oh yeah.
Look at the beautiful sunset. No, that's still you. Oh God, give it here. Yeah, good.
Nice coat, isn't it?
Beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful.
I don't know, I can't see rich. Oh, I'm getting wet now.
Oh, we didn't check out the spill we had.
Hey?
We didn't check out the spill we had there.
Hello and Richard.
I've got a back seat, well, front seat for you.
Hello and Ben. That's come back for the sunset over there. Steve, Debbie and Al and that boat thingy.
Getting slapped with water here, bells, isn't it?
There's no big G-Pontoon. G-Pontoon here, the left behind. This is
Evening.
our beautiful evening.
Quite the distance is that, Steve.
Dinghy back.
Hey?
Amazing. Nothing very, very rain. Even Debs, they've got it on her head.
It's the new man.
Cruising. Oh!
Not out of fuel.
Shut up!
That's why they film it.
I'm filming me.
No, we've got loads of fuel. We've got loads of fuel.
Got it switch on alright? Oh no.
Okay, God damn it.
Look at my hat. I've not even got my hood.
Ow!
Oh, you idiot. It's already started then.
You see that?
It's already started
Oh
then.
no, what in the fucking hell?
So we need a tow.
Oh,
The electric, not the electric, our outboard giving up the ghost.
oh.
So Jason Max are gonna
Right.
put a rope on and tow
Ready for
us
the dirt?
now. So weather has changed. It's absolutely pissing about now.
We got a beautiful sunset. Listen, mate.
back to base.
That's what you get for running off.
Last laugh, you left us. They made them wait. We radioed into the marina, and they've made Steve on Tea Shanty wait. Steve and Debbie on Tea Shanty wait.
You left us stranded in Cardiff Bay. You enjoyed the wait?
Enjoying the rain?
Wait.
I said the rain. I said.
Don't seem too happy.
Look at Alan, he's a trained rat. Ah, you look like a trained rat.
Ben.
Hey.
Ben.
He's a... Steve! You got... Bloody hell, Steve! So we... Oh God, look what you've done to my hood. That's Richard. So we made it back. My hood don't always look like this. There's a quick pull out of the hat because it's just randomly started raining.
Fucking hell, I did it.
I haven't mastered the hood yet.
The miracle.
Moored up. Oh yeah, well done.
We're back. Ow, did you get wet?
Hey, no.
Absolutely pissing down.
Trained rats.
But I got a fisherman's jacket, so I'm warm.
I'm not wet at all.
What a brilliant day. That was.
That was brilliant.
Humidity.
It's wake me up anyway.
Yeah, we're all tired when we left the permanent
Can't say that back
wide
now.
awake.
And we're ready for more dinner.
Play the turn the volume up.
I could write my name in 6 inches of this dust. Yeah. Look.
Just how can
He was moaning about cleaning the food. What's this for here? What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
What's she doing?
What are you doing?
Sing out, guys.
the tulips. The
Just another normal night on
tulips.
Secret Squirrel.
We had it last night afterwards.
Oh.
We could actually sing the correct words, not in tune.
So, getting ready to go now. Been a long weekend, a lot of drinking going on. Yeah, everyone's getting life jacketed up, and we're going out into the barrage at about 11, I think. So,
Alright, heading back. Ludacary. I've got to manoeuvre us out of here. See you later, guys. Right, okay, Cal, do the bow line. Right, it's not the best way of doing it, but it's off. Okay, Rich? Yeah. Alright, let's put this down a minute because I can't forget what I'm doing. Alright, right.
Good morning, sir. Go ahead.
A few boats waiting to leave. We've come to do a pump out. But
Yeah, no problem at all, sir. As soon as I get these pedestrians across, I'll be opening the gates and I'll give you the chance.
emptying the holding tank. No, it just says press to stop. It says press to stop. A few boats waiting to go in. Now we'll go next, Sal. Cal, yeah, get that midline off. We'll go next.
Look at that. Crazy. She's just gone. Sit down then. Let's get this on the convoy of cruisers. Remember. Up.
Back in the lock, horse's head, here we are. That was a nice cruise over. Wasn't rough at all. Alright, Wednesday night after work. So what do we do after work on a Wednesday night? Half hour later, the lock gate is now shut. So we're going to risk that they're going to get it back open when we want to come back in. Alright. We're going boat in. Alright, this is how we do evening dinner. We got healthy salads going on.
Well, covered in salad cream, but
Covered in salad cream. Happy days. This is it. Our anchored view